Today, we're scrolling through some of the cheapest classic cars on the marketplace, all priced between $1,000 and $5,000. Mostly projects, a few runners, and a lot of honesty in the listings. Number 1, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, $3,500. First up is a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe package deal listed at $3,500 in Bradenton, Florida. This listing includes two C3 Corvettes plus a car trailer, which already makes it stand out compared to typical single-car listings. One car is described as a clean, rust-free roller with a TH350 transmission, new wheels and tires, brakes, and steering rack, and it comes with a clean title. The second Corvette is a full parts car with its original 350 engine that spins freely, though it hasn't been fueled or started. The parts car and trailer don't have titles. This feels less like a car purchase and more like a project bundle, clearly aimed at someone planning a full build or drivetrain swap. Number 2, 1969 Chevrolet Nova, $2,000, listed in Thompson, Georgia. Mileage is listed as unknown, and the car currently has no engine installed. It is set up for a small block Chevy and comes with a Powerglide transmission. The seller is open to trades and notes they'll take $1,500 as a bottom price, with only a bill of sale included. This is a straightforward shell and drivetrain project, not a driver, and clearly meant for someone already planning an engine build. Number 3, 1979 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, $4,000. This one is a 1979 Cadillac DeVille Coupe listed at $4,000 in Westminster, South Carolina. It's powered by Cadillac's 425 cubic inch V8 with brown exterior and interior. The seller mentions the car needs a flex plate or torque converter, and it's currently at a local shop being inspected. They also note that the price will increase if the issue is fixed. This comes across as a running project that's temporarily sidelined, with the listing focused more on trade interest than long-term ownership plans. Next up is a 1962 Cadillac Fleetwood sedan, priced at $5,000 in Hazelhurst, Mississippi. The mileage is listed at 30,000 miles, and the car is described as complete with no major damage. According to the seller, it was running when parked, but is not currently running. There's very little additional detail, which usually means this is being sold as a revival project, rather than something you can drive right away. Still, the presence of the car alone at this price point is notable. The last car in this group is a 1980 Chevrolet Malibu sedan, listed at $4,500 in Conyers, Georgia. It has a burgundy exterior, tan interior, and shows 75,000 original miles. The seller states it has a 5.7-liter engine and that it runs and drives with a clean interior. Compared to the other listings in this section, this one feels the most straightforward, positioned as a usable older car rather than a parts deal or stalled project. Still, the presence of the car alone at this price point is notable. First up in this section is a 1978 Chevrolet Impala LS sedan, listed at $2,000 in Pensacola, Florida. It shows 200,000 miles, automatic transmission, orange exterior with a brown interior. The seller states it will run, but there's no title, and it's being pitched as a track car or parts car. With very little detail and the emphasis on urgency, this feels like a quick sale listing aimed at someone who already knows what they're looking for, rather than a casual buyer. Next is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe, listed at just $1,800 in Plainville, Georgia. The seller claims it's a real Z28, but it comes without an engine or transmission. The car needs floor pan work on the passenger side, while the rear of the car is described as fairly solid. This is clearly a full restoration project, not a shortcut into ownership. At this price, you're buying the shell, the VIN, and the long road ahead. 8. 1977 Chevrolet Nova 4-door sedan, $4,000. This one is a 1977 Chevrolet Nova 4-door, priced at $4,000 in Moorefield, West Virginia. It's listed as a project, but importantly, it runs and drives and is described as a complete car. The engine is either a 305 or 350 small block, paired with a 3-speed automatic. The seller notes it needs bodywork and miscellaneous fixes, but it can move under its own power and stop safely. This feels like a fix-as-you-go type of project, more approachable than a non-running shell. 9. 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air sedan, $3,800 in Akron, Ohio. Mileage is listed at 22,000 miles, though that's not confirmed. It's equipped with a 350 engine and a 2-speed power glide and is said to run and drive. Body and interior work are needed, and the seller is mainly interested in trading for a truck. This comes across as a running classic that hasn't been cosmetically finished rather than a complete teardown. 10. 1973 Ford GT Coupe, $4,000 in Havelock, North Carolina. It has 77,000 miles, automatic transmission, and a 351 Cleveland V8. According to the seller, the car needs to be timed and tuned, but most of the parts are included, along with photos documenting the build. It's not finished and still needs work, and the seller admits they're ready to move on. This feels like a partially completed project where motivation, not parts, is the missing piece. That's it for this list. None of these are perfect, but they show what this budget really looks like right now. Thanks for scrolling along, and I'll see you in the next one.